Maybe you're one of the many budding entrepreneurs eager to start your own online store. But there's just one problem. You don't know what you want to sell. Now, it's no secret that coming up with a unique e-commerce business is easier said than done. But the truth is, you really don't need to reinvent the wheel to be successful. Hey guys, it's Jessica Guzik with Oberlo, and today we're going to share 10 products that you can sell that have a proven track record of success. In other words, we know from our own merchant data that customers buy these products. All right, on to the products. Number 1. HIIT equipment. To kick off our list, we've got HIIT or HIIT equipment. Now, you may be wondering, what on earth is HIIT equipment? It sounds a little strange. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, and it's a fitness trend that has been steadily growing in popularity over the past few years. Common products that HIIT fans tend to purchase are fitness mats, jump ropes, and resistance bands, all of which you can dropship with Oberlo. These products come in many different colors and variations, so you should be able to find something that fits your brand and appeals to your customers. If you're interested in starting a fitness brand, a HIIT store could be a good option for you. It's still a relatively untapped niche, and your target audience will be highly engaged buyers who are always looking for the new product that will help them train harder. Number 2, Matcha Tea. Matcha Tea is a finely ground green tea powder from China. It's delicious, and it's one of the many traditional Asian products that's now finding massive success in Western markets. Sales for Matcha Tea have been on the rise for the last 10 years, and our stats show that matcha products will continue to grow in popularity. Besides tasting great, these products offer tons of health benefits. Matcha is known to improve metabolism and detox the body. These health benefits are great for marketing campaigns, especially if you're targeting health and fitness enthusiasts. If you sell matcha products, try to bundle them with related products like teacups, powder whisks, and other accessories that you can use to upsell your customers. Number 3. Beard oil. Next up on our list is beard oil, an extremely popular product for men with beards. Beard oil works by moisturizing facial hair and the skin beneath the beard. It helps to soften the hair and can be used as a styling agent as well. It's an essential for men who are serious about maintaining a well-groomed beard. Since it's primarily men who buy beard oil, you'll be able to run targeted ads directed mostly at men, which should cut down your marketing costs a bit. Knowing who your audience is will help you create compelling marketing campaigns and communicate with an engaged audience of proudly bearded buyers. Number 4, smartphone power banks. A smartphone power bank is essentially a portable battery that's easy to carry around. If one of your mobile devices runs out of juice, you can connect it to the power bank and you'll be up and running again in no time. An incredible 80% of internet users own a mobile device, and as I'm sure you know, nothing is worse than running out of battery. As smartphones continue to grow in popularity, so will smartphone power banks. And that growth represents a ton of potential that you can capitalize on. In addition, power banks are perfect for a dropshipping business. They're light, relatively cheap to source, and you can make decent margins by selling them. Now, many power banks run on lithium-ion batteries. You'll want to do your homework to make sure that you're allowed to sell them in whatever countries you're targeting for sales. Number 5, phone cases. The phone accessories industry is hot, and it's been that way for some time. That's why we've added cell phone cases to our list of proven product ideas. Phone cases account for more than 20% of the total phone accessories industry, so the market for these products is evident. On top of that, we don't see this niche disappearing anytime soon. The list of new phone models is constantly being updated, so you'll always find that you have new phone cases to sell. This is perfect for dropshipping, as you can add and remove products from your inventory with ease. If you decide to dive into the phone case industry, remember to test out different variants of your products. We're sure you'll land on some products which your customers will love. Number 6. Eye Sunglasses. If you've been thinking about starting a women's fashion store, Eye Sunglasses could be a good option for you. The market for these products is huge. Over 3.5 billion sunglasses are sold each year across the globe. If you can capitalize on even a tiny percentage of that, you're going to be a happy camper. When you're marketing these products, you'll likely want to tap into the Instagram influencer market. You can offer influencers a commission for selling your sunglasses. That way, you'll only pay a fee for the products which they actually sold for your business, rather than the usual pay per promoted post business model. If you're interested in learning more about Instagram influencer marketing, we'll leave a link in the description below that you can check out. Number 7, Enamel Pins. Enamel pins have been exploding in popularity over the past 2 years, and they show absolutely no sign of slowing down. The great thing about these pins is that they come in so many different styles. There are literally thousands of different pins. So just think about the huge inventory you can offer your customers. And if you're drop shipping, you'll never have to buy any product up front, nor will you have to stock any inventory. That's why these products are perfect for drop shipping. Enamel pins are relatively inexpensive when sold individually, so it might be hard to make decent margins once you've accounted for marketing and shipping fees. You can get around this by creating bundles of enamel pins for your store. This will help you to cover your shipping fees and sell more products. Number 8. Pool inflatables. Over the past few months, we've seen celebrities and social media influencers show a lot of love for pool inflatables. I'm sure you've seen the unicorns, pink flamingos, and my personal favorite, the giant donut. But on Oberlo Supply, there are so many types of pool inflatables. Even though these products are somewhat seasonal, you can still run a sustainable business with some clever, targeted marketing campaigns. Just remember, when it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere, it's summer in the Southern Hemisphere, and vice versa. Number 9, lace bras. If you're looking to dive into women's fashion, lace bras could be the perfect business idea for you. These products have been popular for a few years already, and our statistics show that they're only going to increase in popularity in the coming months. If you're interested in selling these products, this is a great time to get in the market. Just be careful when you're marketing these products, especially if you decide to use Facebook advertising. Ads which feature any type of seductive imagery can get rejected by Facebook, so we advise that you feature the bras on vibrant backgrounds rather than on models. Number 10. Bodysuits. Last up on our list of proven product ideas, bodysuits. In the past, these products were strictly worn as lingerie. Now, however, they've made their way into mainstream fashion. These days, women wear bodysuits as tops, and this trend has boosted the product's popularity. What makes bodysuits perfect for dropshippers? There are tons of different colors, patterns, and styles to choose from, and that means more choices for your customer, and a greater likelihood that they'll find exactly what they're looking for. And that's it! That's our list of tried and true product ideas that you can import into your store today. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start dropshipping. And if you want more product suggestions, we've got you covered. Just check out this video. So what do you think about the ideas in this list? Do you have any interesting products you'd like to start dropshipping? Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you with my thoughts. Also, if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.